Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will help you to remove fake Windows Defender Security Center alerts that come from this random website. And these fake alerts try to deceive people and to trick them into calling this fake Windows support number +1 888 230 9149. Claiming to be some security helpline. But this is a fake Windows support number. You should not call it. If you call it, you will hear some online hackers who will try to connect to your computer remotely, and then they may infect it even more considerably and demand from you to pay money supposedly to get your computer fixed. So please be careful, don't call this fake Windows support number. It is not a real Windows support number. It is totally fake. We recommend you to, first of all, carefully research your control panel and uninstall anything suspicious here. If you find some suspicious apps, get rid of them. I also recommend you to additionally examine your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is crucial because your computer could be infected by some hidden adware that could result in such unwanted pop-ups. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect such hidden threats and to remove them effectively. You may get Combo Cleaner on this official website, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application and start investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.